Hello, my people. Hope you guys are good. I am with my big brother Atiq, and I'm in Lira right now, as most of you might know. And my brother Atiq has been in Lira for I think almost 15 years.
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. And he'll introduce himself now. Let me shock you. He even speaks Langi. Am I right, brother?
Yes, I speak.
Okay. Can you say some words to my Langi people over here?
Tianingo, Unjo Melira,
Mm-hmm.
Apoyo Matek, Mio Karim,
Mm-hmm.
and Apoyo Maro Karim.
Mm-hmm.
I've been hard and I've been seeing that a lot of Lango people from Northern especially, they love Karim too much. And they have given him the names, so I am very much impressed. I was also given name by Okello.
Oh,
So
okay.
now we are with our friend, the girl also called Okello,
Mm-hmm.
and I hope you also get the name Kamara.
Kimara.
Kamara.
Kimara, yes,
Kamara.
Kimara. They call me
So-
Kimara, yes.
So thank you so much for Karim by coming
Mm-hmm.
to Lira especially. We have been in Uganda, but thank you so much for coming.
You're
Lira,
welcome, man. Thank you for
visiting
hosting.
the people of Lira and Gulu.
Yes.
Because I was heard you have a lot of followers in Gulu.
Mm-hmm.
So when I see your videos in Gulu, I was very much impressed.
Oh, thank you so much, brother. Like, I have some questions, like, for you. What have you done for the community till now? For the
Thank
local
you.
people?
Thank you so much, Garimbai. We have been here for Lira more than 15 years, and we made an organization called Pakistan Association Lira. I represent Pakistan community in northern Uganda. We have been supporting a lot to the local communities. During COVID, we supported the government. We give even food stuff to governments, the local people. Mostly we do the borehole works. We dig for them clean waters where the boreholes have been spoiled. We have worked in Abok sub-county in Oyam district. We have repaired their borehole. We have done in Aleptong. We have done in Atuke. We have been doing even a Choli region in Lamua.
Oh.
On the request of the Honorable there, we repaired there almost more than 15 borehole, which was broken for
Mashallah.
big years, like 10 years, there was no
Okay.
water there. So we worked on them. We worked in Dokolo.
Mm-hmm.
We have built one mosque in Dokolo.
Oh, mashallah.
We have built one mosque in Abangamola.
Oh.
We have been supporting the Neta Babies Home.
Oh, Neta Baby's home, huh?
Yes.
It's it's an orphanage
Neta Babies Home is an orphanage in Lira City.
in Lira City?
Yes.
Okay.
So every years, not only once, every years on first day of the year, we goes to Neta Babies and we take for them, for children, food stuff, all the
Oh,
necessities. We support the disabled people,
Okay.
those who cannot move. Maybe
Mhm.
someone has issue of legs,
Okay.
they are born like that. We support them with food stuff,
Mhm.
other necessities, and that all support we do apart from our heart and from our money. It's
Exactly.
not that some NGO support us.
So, exactly.
We
From our
community, we collect our money and support. We give
Mashallah.
back to the
Community, exactly.
community. In business, we also support a lot of farmers
Oh,
as we buy produce.
right, right.
We have very many of our manufacturers
Mhm.
who do the cooking oil business in Lira. They have factories, so we buy a lot of grains from farmers.
All right.
So it is also a kind of
Of support, exactly.
That's
Of course.
why when like you, Karimba, in Uganda, a lot of people loves you. That is the best thing our communities does here.
Yes, exactly.
They have been doing good works. That's why the
True.
people when talk name of Pakistan,
At least
they love so
they
much.
know. Yes,
They know
exactly.
people of Pakistan. They are honest.
Exactly.
They are respective. They respect
I
it.
think I've seen that Pakistanis were donating blood.
Yes, we are.
Blood donation also been going on. So I was so proud of it that imagine our blood sharing with the local people, the
Yes.
African blood. So like it's like
Yeah.
one love actually. Yes.
So even our religion,
Mhm.
it is very common, and we understand that we cannot segregate.
Exactly.
And that is the best things in Pakistani people.
Exactly.
We don't segregate.
That's-
We share with them. We eat together. We have so many functions. I've been inviting in so many functions, even weddings.
Mhm.
I've been invited.
So from there, I have a question.
Yes.
When you talk about wedding, okay, let me spill the secret out. My brother is actually married to a Ugandan. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
How long have you been married?
Yes, I married in 2016. So I have
2016.
3 babies.
Mashallah, with a Ugandan.
Yes, with the Ugandan.
And then there's another question.
Yes.
Most of people think that for us, when we get married in Uganda, we hide that person. or we don't take them to Pakistan. So now my question is, have you ever taken your wife to Pakistan and your kids?
Yes. I've been with her 3 times, not one time.
3 times to Pakistan?
Yes, she has been 3 times, and she have multiple visa for Pakistan. Anytime she feels to go to
She can
Pakistan, yes. Oh, people in Pakistan, they are so welcoming. I have a friend who just recently visited Pakistan, so he was so much happy about going Pakistan, and people are Pakistan. First time is his life to move out from Uganda,
And he went to Pakistan. And he felt really nice.
and through you now we have been getting for them a lot of chances.
Inshallah.
They have
That
to
is
visit.
that's why I have this platform, because I want to build a bridge.
Yes.
People don't know there's a gap, communication gap, and
Yes.
that's what I'm doing. Build a communication, the bridge,
Yes.
and then we can tell them that we are different people. We are people, like as you said. We don't segregate. We are always there for you on your weddings, on your funerals, happiness or grief. Any moment we are standing with you.
Because we feel they are our brothers and
Exactly,
sisters. We
exactly.
don't segregate that, no, these are black, no.
No.
That's
exactly.
not our teaching.
Exactly. That's not Islamic teaching as well.
Yes.
You're so right about that.
Islam, we are equal.
We are all equal.
That's why I see you when with locals, I feel
You
very
feel happy,
good,
yeah?
and I feel
Exactly.
very happy that at least we have other people also doing that.
Doing the same thing. They say great minds think alike. Yes, exactly. So thank you so much. Apoyo matak.
Apoyo matak.
Yes.
Yeah.
So my Lira brother, my brother called Okello and Kimara, talking about our own culture and people, mixing up together and sharing one love and one bond. You please share this video with all your friends and tell people Pakistanis are different from other people, and we are most loving and welcoming people in the world. One love.
Thank you.
Peace.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, brother.